How to log in blockchain wallet account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how we can log in into your blockchain wallet account. So let's just get started. So for that, you can go ahead and open up the blockchain wallet app on your phone, or you can also head over to blockchain.com. Once you're here, look up for the sign in option or the login option. Since we are logging in, go ahead and tap on login. And once you're here, enter the email address and password associated with the blockchain wallet account. Make sure you use the correct details. So you can just go ahead and enter up your email here and then your password right below it and tap on this login option. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to your blockchain wallet where you can view your balances, send or receive cryptocurrency. So that is it. Now you have successfully logged in into your blockchain wallet account. So if this tutorial helped, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And thank you for watching this video.